Hi, good morning. So, in the continuation of the previous class, today we are going to discuss about the bioinformatics databases. So, in the previous class, we discussed about the applications of the bioinformatics, and this class we are going to discuss about what are the database that can be used in bioinformatics and how the database has been used and how the data has been retrieval from the databases. So, these are the topics today we are going to cover. So this is an overview of bioinformatic databases. So databases, in the sense, it will be an e-source. E-source. The e-source of the bioinformatics are important because they are accessible from any web server and computerized resource for biological research. Commonly used databases are frequently reconciled with each other so that the search anyone is virtually the same as search all others. So support multiple input types of query sequence with less effort enable to search homogeneous data. So there are generally two types of databases there, that is generalized and specialized. So generalized is the sense the general term which can be stored and it can be reused and it can be modified also, and specialized so support some particular databases that can be stored and it can be used as a prototype for the upcoming projects and researches also. So generalized databases and specialized databases, these are the two types of databases in bioinformatics. So in this class we will discuss about one or two databases, and I will show you the screenshot and the web page link also how the database has been used. You kindly go with the website and you can search in the web databases how the functionalities has been working and how the output has been produced by this kind of databases. And the need of database, that is a biological database. The need of database we already discussed. The need of biological database is to storing and communicating large set of data set that has been grown and biological data available to the scientist to make biological data available in computers readable form. So the data must be in a readable form, and the database, the biological data database, it will be majorly used for the scientist who needs to discover some new things to the real field. So for this purpose this database has been used, and these are the databases classification. So there are n number of classification is there, and I will go with some of one or two classifications, that is nucleic acid database, RNA, protein structure, mutation, genome, expression, metabolic pathways, and biographics. So these are the number of databases classification is available in bioinformatics. And first we look into the nucleic acid research. So this is the link for this, and I will share this presentation with you, and go with this link for the nucleic acids data research. So in this database you can produce some of the related items to the bioinformatics applications whatever we discussed in the previous class. So all the database has been stored in this website. If you are going to this website, you will know about your particular field, how the database has been used, and you may search by subjects also. If you are studying pharmacology or pharmacy, what's it, chemistry or something, when you are in your class you are explaining or studying some of the protein sequences or RNA sequences, you directly go to this website and you can learn how the RNA sequence and protein sequence and structures has been worked and how the data has been stored. You can easily identify how the database has been stored. For this purpose this nucleic acid research has been implemented. So இது வந்து நீங்கள் சப்ஜெக்ட் தெரிஞ்சிருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் உள்ளே போக முடியும். எனக்கு சப்ஜெக்ட் தெரியல, ஸோ அதனால் நான் வெறும் டேட்டாபேஸோட கான்செப்ட் மட்டும் தான் எடுத்திருக்கேன். ஸோ இஃப் யூ ஆர் அவேர் அபவுட் யுவர் பர்டிகுலர் சப்ஜெக்ட், தென் யூ லுக் இன் டு திஸ் websites and you will get a clear idea about that. And next one is NCBI. So it is one of most useful and comprehensive source of database is the NCBI. So the thing, National Center of Biotechnology and Information. So this is a website of NCBI. So you can see all the resources has been available in the website, and they are you can download the data from NCBI and you can learn and you can do the research work and you can analysis and you can develop also. So in this, it is a government approved site. You can do or you can collect some of the information related to your subjects or related to your search. You can do all your activities in this websites. And again I am telling, if you are having your subject knowledge, you can go with this. In case if you are having your subject in depth of subject knowledge, you can identify easily in this வெப்சைட்ஸ். அண்ட் இப்போ சப்ஜெக்ட் நாலேஜ் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா இதுக்குள்ளே பார்க்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு நிறைய விஷயங்கள் புரியும். சப்ஜெக்ட் நாலேஜ் இல்லை அப்படின்னா இதுக்குள்ளே பார்க்கும்போது எல்லாமே blank-ஆ தான் தெரியும் என்ன மாதிரி சீரியஸ்லி. ஸோ ஐ am getting blank right now. I am not having awareness about this, and I am searching some of the topics in the website. I am got these websites in the Google also. So here is the social medias of this NCBI informations that was shared in the social medias also. Kindly follow these sites and you will get a clear idea about what is real-time project that they were executed. So this is one site, and you can search the genic name sequence and disease keywords. The keyword is the most important role played in the database. If you are having a proper keyword, you can search the keyword in the search button and you will get a clear idea about some of the particular topics also. So if I am giving some of the unrelated keyword I am giving over here, if the result is there, then they will produce some of the result here, and you can click this and you can get the details whatever you need or whatever you required. It will show you the how the fact has been analysis, and how the output has been produced, and how it can be used. All the details has been produced in this website. So better go with this website. You kindly spend 10 or 15 minutes to go through this website and you will get a clear idea about that. You can use this in your mobile also, no problem. And these are the websites sample thing that I gone with the websites and taken the screenshots over here, and you will get a clear idea. So only more 5 of the major choice that has been included in the search engine, that is translation, database, and filters, and restrictions, and matrices. So these are the 5 types of choices that was available in this particular website. So the translation, it will be transferred from sequence to DNA, or DNA to sequence, or proteins or something. It can be translated to one, and databases has been stored by the compulsions or the input that was given by the providers, and you can use the filters also, and you can restrict some of the databases, some of the links or some of the contents in your database, and the matrix format will be available in this database. So these are the choice that can be used in this website, and these are some of the screenshot that was searched and got the languages. So again I am telling that if you are having subject knowledge, these contents will be morely familiar for you to go with these subjects. And these links, 2 links, that is domain and links, will be there. Domain, it will show you in which sublinks the data has been stored, and links, the particular link of this particular search mechanism that can be interrelated with these links. And here the subject has been changing. NCBI converse domain summary, and it will be contain of the proteins, and it will be contain of translatings, and it will be life size search engine. So lot of subheadings were there, subtopics and sub search mechanisms were there in the website, and sequence are there, sequence mechanism, how the sequence mechanism has been worked, and you can go with this sequence. And the protein, this is not fit for me, so I am not understanding what the concept has been explained. So these are the subheading that you can access in the web portal. So these are the subheading that can be accessed in the web portals. And PubMed, so that is it will be a medical oriented thing, and the formula will be conducted here. And what are the types of formulas that can be used for the information storage also. And homogene gene expression, so these are the expression. I hope so you are aware about these expressions and all, and if you are aware about this, and it will be easy for you how the gene has been worked, how the expression has been stored in the computer to use in the future for the proposed systems and all. So expression information, these are the information about the expression. I hope so this subject till now you are not covered. In the second year or third year, this subject you are going to learn compulsory, and while you are learning, you just go with this website and you will get a clear idea about that, how the expression has been worked and how the database has been stored. So these are the NCBI map viewer. So the lot of option available in the website, so you just go with the website link and you will get a clear idea about that. And SNP link with Gene. So nearly I have go through and take the screenshot of this, nearly 1 to 1.5 hours I am taking to get the screenshot about this, and I will go through with all the topics also, but the only thing I can't able to understand what is the real thing happening in that, so that's why I am leaving to you. So you will get a clear idea about that once you studying the subjects also. So NCBI is not all there is linked to non-NCBI databases also. They're having a link with the non-NCBI databases also. Then you will get all the database link will be available in the NCI, and other important gene protein resource not linked to. So some of the resources will not be linked in this database because of this permissions also, and other key biological data sources, that is open biological ontologies. So some of the data sources has been available, and scientific society iscb.org, that is one of the website, that is also scientific. If you are going for a research, that website will be very useful to you, and journal and conference has been applicable in NCBI. So subscribe the NCBI social media link and you will get a what to say, and you will get notification about what are the journals that was applied and released by the NCBI, and conferences that was conducted by NCBI, and if you are able to attend those conferences, you can attend the conferences related to the bioinformatics and databases also. And these are the structure, the overall structure and maps and working process, how they working, how the transaction has been done. So these are the content that was visible over here. Don't get panic to see those things, and if you are steady with your subject and you will go with this website, definitely you will have a better experience to analyze these websites also. And what are the names that was applicable, and information about the journals or databases, proper information will be there, and the reference will be there, and where the, if you are going with this reference, the reference number and the medicine number will be there, and you can go with this reference number also. If you are studying one of the articles, you will go with the reference number also, and when they was updated, and when there was sequences, and when they was created, the accession number. If you want to search in the future, you can just take this access number, and by this access number you can search directly to the particular topics also. And next one is PDB, that is Protein Data Bank. So this is one of the database in bioinformatics. So same as like we are discussed in the NCBI, same the procedure will be there, and some of the information that was related to the NCBI also, and it may be an advanced thing related when we compare to NCBI. So they will produce the pictorial representations and the videos of the particular problems and the particular solutions. So kindly go with this. These are the two websites. You just go with these two websites and you will get a clear idea about this. So what is the microbiological database? Contain a value of an information, and database have everything related to the particular domain, and these databases are moderately well cross-linked, and there are linker databases. So linker databases, in the sense we already discussed in the database topic, that is linked database, that the thing. So n number of databases were linked to the each and every one. So all the database has been linked with all the databases. So sequence is a good identifier, maybe even better than the gene names. So sequence, what are the sequence that here we have shown, here I have shown that. So where it was collected, so in this some other database link has been also related to here. Here it is an NCBI portal. Here we can relate the PDB databases also. So it will be interrelated between those data types. So these are the things of microbiological databases. So if you are steady with your chemistry and microbiology, then you will have a clear idea about what is happening in this database structure. So kindly go with this two website and you will get a clear idea about that, how the database has been worked and how the database portal we want to access also. And so this is some of the databases, and some of the databases you can go with this. If you are not able to concentrate on this database, kindly share save this link in your mobile. In future, in second year, in third year or final year, definitely you will go with this databases. And so far you can now you can see how the databases has been worked, and how the sequence and protein, DNA, RNA has been stored, and how the database has been rectified. So these are the two types that was we have discussed, two types of database we have discussed. So generally these types of database classification is there, and you try to get all the classification how the database has been worked, and it will get a clear idea about the storage of the bioinformatics databases. So as of now, this is the end of this session, and in case of any query, just comment me in a comment box. And I hope so all were attending the YouTube session. I am not seeing this, and only 36 or 37 viewers has been available there. This is not fair actually. So I'm not giving you a related to the I'm not giving you a practical explanation or practical demonstration over here, and I am searching whatever the content has been in the Google for the particular topics. So not in a computer science background, so not in a computer science topic. So this is purely depends upon your medical oriented topic. So I am searching those content and giving to you. In case of any query, just comment me in a comment box, and try to attend all the session and make use of this kind of links also. So thank you for listening.